Learning Basic AutoCAD for 21st Century Learners tutorials. The following videos are open to anyone at any level, maybe CAD enthusiasts, would-be CAD operators, or even novice users. You may use this as your guide in discovering or exploring AutoCAD as software as tool in developing your CAD projects. Introduction to CAD and AutoCAD software, some of the basic draw commands, as well as modify commands are comprehensively discussed in the presentation. You can play and pause the videos to furtherly understand the lesson. And don't forget to perform the tasks relevant to the lessons which will be shown after every video tutorial. This would be supplementary activities in enhancing and mastering your skills. In Lesson 2 of the tutorials, discuss about some of the following draw commands used in completing your AutoCAD works. These commands commonly used to create drawing or start drawing, especially constructing 2D drawings. It includes polyline, X-line or construction line, ray, circle, rectangle, and polyline commands. Not just line or polyline commands can be used to create rectangular drawings. We also have rectangle command, which easily creates rectangle shape or even a square without time constraints. So in this tutorial, performing rectangle object will be demonstrated to have an option in accomplishing your task, most especially if this command is needed. In preparing or solving drawing problems, most of the time, line command ang ginagamit even in creating simple square or rectangle shape. But we also have rectangle command upang gamitin natin ito sa paggawa ng parisukat o parihabang hugis sa mas madaling paraan. Sa paggamit ng command na ito, pumunta lamang sa Draw panel under Home tab. Hanapin natin ang rectangle command icon. Left-click this icon to activate the command at pagkatapos, sinasabi sa ating command window that we need to specify the first corner point ng magiging rectangle shape natin. Move your mouse to move the cursor and click it at any point sa drawing space or area at galawin ang mouse to see the shape you're doing. At i-click ulit for the other corner point of the shape. Using the shortcut keys of this command can also be used in performing the command. Press on the keyboard the letters R, E, C and hit Enter or spacebar key. Again, after activating the command, kailangan nating i-determine ang first corner point ng ating rectangle shape. You can position your first point at the exact location gamit ang absolute coordinate value, the absolute X and Y. Maaari rin sa kahit saang parte ng ating drawing space by left-clicking the mouse at any point gaya ng ginawa natin kanina. Move the mouse para makita ang ginagawang parehabang hugis. This time, we need to pick the other point. Ngayon, gusto nating magkaroon ng eksaktong sukat. In the command window, we have several options. Area, dimensions, and rotation. Click the dimension or type D and press the Enter or spacebar key. Susunod, sinasabi dito na kailangan nating maglagay ng sukat para sa haba or length ng ating hugis. Sabihin natin ang haba nito ay 15. So type the value 15, then hit the space bar or enter key. Pagkatapos nito, ay kailangan naman nating ilagay ang width nito o ang tinutukoy dito ay ang taas ng ating rectangle shape. Say 12. Once again, type 1, 2 and hit the enter or spacebar key to see the effect. Now we have the rectangle. Click anywhere to end the command. So now, we have accomplished a rectangle shape having 15 as the length o ang haba nito at 12 bilang taas naman nito. Gamit ang command na ito, maaari ka rin gumawa ng square shape through specifying its dimension, the length and the width or the height of it. You can also create rectangle gamit ang area or through specifying its area. Let's have this example. Type the shortcut keys are easy, then activate it by pressing Enter or spacebar key. Pick your first corner point at any point, then move it to see the preliminary result. Ngayon, instead of picking dimension, click in the command window the option Area or Type A and press again the Enter or Spacebar key. Type the value of the area na magiging rectangle. Sabihin natin 180. So type the value 180 and enter it using Enter or Spacebar key. After entering, merong sinasabi ang ating command window. Calculate the rectangle dimension based on. We have two options, the length and the width. Select any in the option bar or type the first letter of it. Say the width, type W and press the Enter or Spacebar key. Then type the value. Type 12 as its width, or we are talking about the height of the rectangle. So there we have it. Ito ang rectangle na ginawa natin na mayroong 180 ang area na may taas na 12. To check it, type in the command window the keys AREA or area and hit Enter or Spacebar key to activate it. Then left click the four corners of the shape and press the Enter or Spacebar key again. At ayan, tumugma nga yung linagay nating area kanina, which is 180 including its perimeter na ang kabuuang sukat ng mga sides nito. So that's how we use this command. Maaring i-modify natin ang klase ng ating rectangle shape. Explore lamang ang paggamit ng command na ito using the several options in the command. So that's how effective using rectangle command. Use this command in your CAD works as much as possible.